This is a view from right on the tip of that robotic arm, Canadarm2, that's going to be used to grapple with Dragon. And you can see the spacecraft just in the top of your view coming in now. And a look inside the cupola as Dragon continues to hold at 350 meters. Expedition 43 Commander Terry Virts there at the robotics workstation, snapping a couple of photos of the uncrewed spacecraft. The station right now, 260 some odd miles just over Argentina. There you can see Dragon also getting the first rays of light as the sun begins to peek over the horizon, illuminating the vehicle as it approaches that 30-meter hold point. Visiting vehicle officer here in Houston confirming Dragon has crossed the 100-meter spot. So again, closing in on that 30-meter hold point. And the Earth's surface now lighting up in the background. The space station just passed over the southern tip of Argentina, now back out over the southern Atlantic Ocean, just about to cross the Terminator line, the line that runs across the Earth's surface between night and day. The team out at Hawthorne and SpaceX Mission Control monitoring the vehicle as they have been since it launched successfully from Cape Canaveral back on Tuesday.
Station on 2 for rendezvous.
Go ahead, David.
Right, Terry. So we see Dragon at the CP hold. Can you please confirm that per step 6 and 1.102?
Okay, step 6 is in work. We'll give you a report here shortly.
And Canadarm2 closing in on the grapple fixture on the SpaceX Dragon vehicle, under 5 meters away at this point. ESA astronaut Samantha Cristoforetti at the controls. Under 4 meters. Under 2 meters. Cristoforetti continuing to close in on capture with Dragon. Standing by. And we have capture, nominal capture confirmed, coming at 5:55 a.m. Central Time, 6:55 a.m. Eastern, while the station and Dragon fly over the northern Pacific Ocean. So we are expecting the docking to come within the next 10 minutes or so to the Harmony module. SpaceX inching closer and closer. This is a view from the centerline berthing camera, which was installed by Commander Terry Virts yesterday in that Earth-facing port of Harmony. And again, continuing to close in very slowly, the robotics controller here in Houston, methodically closing the gap between Dragon and the berthing port on the Harmony module. This again is SpaceX's 6th resupply mission to the International Space Station. And getting confirmation second stage capture complete. And we'll put that at 8:29 a.m. Central Time, 9:29 a.m. Eastern, while the station and Dragon were flying just about 250 statute miles just off the coast of Sierra Leone. So again, Dragon Stage 2 capture complete. Attached now to the International Space Station, the 6th SpaceX resupply mission, delivering over 4,300 pounds of supplies to the crew on board the International Space Station.